Arrive in style with this Kia 2021 Seltos S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 146 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, automatic full-time, air conditioning, all-wheel drive, audio controls on steering wheel and Bluetooth. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.